Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can make a text move using the animations in CapCut. So here I've already on my edit on CapCut and I'm going to just add the text that I want. Okay, so to make the text move on CapCut, you can just use animation. Here you can use the in, out, or loop category under the animations, but I'm suggesting you using the loop to make the text move. So for example, you want to make the text shaking, you can just use the shake animation and the text will move just like that. Or you can also make it move like a wave. You can use the wave here like this, and you can also adjust how fast or how slow you want the text to move, like so. Okay, so that's a simple tutorial from me, but I hope this will be helpful. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Thank you.